Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2009 Kawasaki Concours 1400. This bike does have ABS, and we'll take a walk around this sport tour and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is in very good condition, is super clean. As you can see right now, the saddlebags are off of it. I've got them, these are the OEM saddlebags that go on it. They're off right now, so you can kind of see the body underneath. This body's in very good condition. Bike's got low miles on it. It's like a little under 6,300, I think is what it was. And like I said, as you can see, this is an ABS model. It has the extra tall windscreen on it. Tank is in good shape, no rock chips, no dents. Seats, no rips, no tears. It's got the back rack on it. It also comes with the Two Brothers pipe. And as you can see, the tires are in good shape. The rear tire's great, got plenty of miles left on it. No rock chips, no big scratches in the front, anything like that. And there's the front tire. That's in excellent shape as well. Let's get a look on the mileage. The only thing I have noticed, just noticed this is a little scratch on the back side of the mirror here. And here's the miles. 6685. I said 63, but 6,700. Fires right up, got a good sound to it. Bike has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.